In the previous video, I shared with you how to share posts to all groups on Facebook at once. Now I will show you how to send messages to all members of those groups with just one click. First, you will select the content you want to send that you have pre-installed into the software. Then you will copy the personal account UID you scanned and paste it into the software. Finally, you just need to click Start and the software will automatically send messages to those individual accounts for you. Hope this video will help you. If you are interested in the software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp, which I pinned below. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Please subscribe to my channel to learn more great knowledge about software.